students. Now we shall start discussion of basic thermodynamics. So, thermodynamics is one of the most important areas of engineering science. It is a science used to explain how most things work, why some things do not work the way they were intended, and why other things just cannot possibly work at all. It is a key part of the science which engineers use to design automotive engines, heat pumps, rocket motors, power stations, gas turbines, air conditioners, etc. It involves the study of problems related to the conversion of heat to work and vice versa in heat engines and the properties of working fluids involved in such conversion. So, this basic thermodynamics uh, and applied thermodynamics both are parts of this thermodynamics, and thermodynamics is taught as two course uh, two courses in mechanical engineering for third and fourth semester. The first one is BC, that is basic thermodynamics, and in higher semester you study ATD, that is applied thermodynamics. So thermodynamics is used for designing automotive engines, heat pumps, rocket motors, power stations, gas turbines, etc. Wherever there is interaction of heat and work, like wherever we are burning fuel, there the study of thermodynamics comes into picture. Thermodynamics is based on two main experimental principles called the first and second law of thermodynamics. So basically thermodynamics has four laws like zeroth law, first law, second law and the third law. But these two, the first and second are more main experimental principles. The first law of thermodynamics is the interconversion of heat and work and is particular case of the general laws of conservation and conversion of energy. The first law, as you all know, is the law of conservation of energy. The second law of thermodynamics establishes the condition under which continuous conversion of heat into work takes place and indicates the ways of the most advantageous conversion of energy. In the second law of thermodynamics, this speaks of the continuous conversion of heat into work. So, for continuous conversion of heat into work to take place, there are certain conditions. Okay, and those conditions are given by the second law of thermodynamics. The basis of the second law of thermodynamics is the concept of entropy, which provides a means for determining whether a process is possible or not. So, after the study of second law of thermodynamics, the concept of entropy shall be clear, and this is very important concept in thermodynamics because this is a quantity which cannot be measured directly but has to be computed or calculated. Okay, and it determines whether a process is possible or not. So two more laws are there, like zeroth law of thermodynamics, which gives the concept of temperature. So because of zeroth law of thermodynamics only, we are able to measure the temperature. And the third law is about law of entropy. So we will be studying these laws in this thermodynamics. And as far as BTD is concerned, the practical application part is very little. I think we will study somewhere in pure substance and all. But generally it is very abstract in nature, and you need to understand the concepts and principles very clearly. But this forms the foundation for applied thermodynamics. And applied thermodynamics, as you have seen, everything like heat engines, heat pumps, air conditioners, gas turbines, power stations, all these kind of things will be taught in the applied thermodynamics. So I hope you understand this and enjoy the course of learning basic thermodynamics. Thank you.